Sidewinder is a next-generation elastomeric wrap coupling engineered for fast installation, easy maintenance, and long-lasting performance. Its element design with patent-pending core strike technology delivers a precise balance of strength and flexibility, resisting wear and cracking. Whether you're installing a new unit or replacing an element in the field, Sidewinder simplifies the process while delivering reliable performance and protecting your equipment. This video walks through the installation of a Sidewinder coupling assembly and is a supplement to Instruction Manual MN4077. The Sidewinder coupling assembly includes an elastomeric element, two E-coated steel hubs sized correctly for your shaft diameter, an E-coated steel cover, and all hardware needed. For installation, you will need a hex wrench, a torque wrench, and the proper alignment tools such as a straight edge or caliper. Before installation, ensure equipment is turned off using proper lockout-tagout procedures and use required personal protective equipment. Inspect and clean the Sidewinder coupling components and flanges using a cloth, dampened with a non-flammable solvent, to remove the protective coatings from the hubs, mating surfaces, and fasteners. Next, inspect and ensure the shafts are the correct size and are free of any burrs. Install the keys for each shaft. Slide the Sidewinder coupling cover onto one shaft and place it at the back to allow room for the installation of the hubs and element. Mount a hub onto each shaft and ensure it is flush with the end of the shaft. Tighten the set screws in the hubs to the specified torque. Rotate the hubs so that the teeth of both hubs are aligned. Verify the hub gap and angular alignment using a feeler gauge or caliper to the values specified in the manual. Be sure to take measurements at 4 locations 90 degrees apart. Verify parallel alignment by using a straight edge at 90-degree increments. Next, install the Sidewinder element by spreading it apart so it fits over the hub teeth and wrap it around the two hubs. Ensure the element teeth are flush and have full contact with both hubs. Slide the cover over the element and align the threaded holes with the holes in the element. Secure the fasteners to the specified torque. Your Sidewinder coupling is now installed and ready for operation. In addition to the standard installation, you may occasionally need to access and replace the Sidewinder element. Let's walk through this maintenance process. Loosen the set screws on the Sidewinder coupling cover and slide it away to expose the element. Remove and discard the old element. Then, install the new element by wrapping it around both hubs, ensuring the element's teeth make full contact with the hub's teeth. Finally, reinstall the Sidewinder coupling cover following the same procedures shown earlier. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com, and for our e-commerce platform, visit dodge.ptplace.com.